Welcome, today I am with Huawei MatePad 11 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'm going to measure the sound level with this decibel meter, and right now I'm going to turn it on and set it up to the maximum volume mode. As you can see right now, it's turned on. So it means that right now all of these values on the screen will only change when this device registers the highest volume level than the previous one. And in this device, at the MatePad 11, we can find the dual speakers right here at the bottom and also at the top. So let's make the test. Let's set it up on the highest quality and let's start. Oh, sorry guys, my misclick. I just locked the device. Okay, so as you can see, Huawei MatePad 11 reached 109.8 decibels. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.